Hello friends, it's Nobi. I'm at Ikebukuro, Toshima World, Tokyo. Today, I'm going to visit two haunted spots in Ikebukuro. Okay, let's get started. Ikebukuro is now a busy city and the Ikebukuro station currently has 2.6 million passengers per day. It's the second largest station in the world after Shinjuku Station. But in the Edo period, Ikebukuro was a deserted village. During the Edo period, there was a lonely street, and in the evenings, it was haunted by robbers and Tsujigiri killers in this area. Tsujigiri has a rough literal translation, which is crossroad killing. It refers to a practice when a samurai tests his new katana by attacking random defenseless passers-by at night. People therefore avoided this area at night. In the summer of 1712, 70 people were killed in this deserted village by a Tsujigiri killer. Volunteers of the Ikebukuro villagers asked a neighboring temple to hold a memorial service. In September of the same year, a stone pagoda with a suitor title was erected to pray for the victims. This is Shimento, four-faced pagoda, today's first haunted spot in Ikebukuro. Even after the Meiji period, Ikebukuro remained a lonely town. However, it developed after the Seibu Ikebukuro line was opened in 1914. The Shimento was originally located in front of the current Ikebukuro station. It was moved to its current location during development construction around Ikebukuro station on 18 May 1956. Then, a number of people were injured in accident during the construction. It's up to you to believe whether this is Shimento's haunting or not. Anyway, it's an interesting story, isn't it? By the way, the fence was built because there were many people trying to do bad things on the Shimento. I would have liked to see this without a fence. What a shame. There was a pond in the shape of a round pouch in this area. This pond was called Fukuro Ike, a name consisting of Fukuro, the Japanese word for pouch, and Ike meaning pond. In the past, this road led to the north exit of Ikebukuro Station. Nowadays, Ikebukuro Station does not have north and south exits, but many people call here Ikebukuro Station North Exit as the name of the area. There are many electric shops here. The best way to avoid getting lost is to walk down the main street. However, it's also fun to walk along the back alleys. Back alley enthusiasts like me would be excited. This five-forked road is one of the well-known places in Ikebukuro. I'm walking towards Sunshine City, where the Sunshine City building is located. Sunshine City was the name chosen from a public competition following the development of Ikebukuro. The Sunshine City building was the first Sunshine City facility to open in 1978. At the time, it was the tallest building in Asia, and the Prince Hotel opened here in 1979. The record for the tallest building in Japan was broken in 1990. With the completion of the Tokyo Metropolitan Government's first main building and the Yokohama Landmark Tower in 1993. The Sunshine 60 building is currently the 13th tallest building in Japan. That is the entrance of Sunshine City. Look, there's the pink post over there. These unique post boxes like this one can often be seen in Japan. This town is being promoted as an anime and manga town. It's getting closer to the Sunshine 60 building. Running overhead is the Metropolitan Expressway. That kind of single-story convenience store is rare in Tokyo. I guess it is because that is where the road structure does not allow buildings to be built. That is the Sunshine 60 building. Sunshine City now has many fun places to visit, including an aquarium, an observatory, and a hotel. However, the Sunshine 60 building was built on the site where the Tokyo Detention Center, also known as the Sugamo Prison, used to be. The ruins of the execution site are not occupied by buildings. There is a small park instead. This is Higashi Ikebukuro Central Park, the second haunted spot in this video. War criminals in the Pacific War were executed just here. There are several stories about psychic phenomena, such as will-o'-the-wisps flying at night. In the corner of the park, there is a memorial to those who were executed. On it is written, "Eternal Peace." Oh, Waterman! The Waterman Summer Festival is now taking place here. Like this festival, there are many events including cosplay festivals in Sunshine City. Okay, let's get back to the station. Today we visited 2 haunted spots. There were more normal places than I had imagined. It might be interesting to think of these normal places as being part of a dark side of history. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね